Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, we're still on ratios. Alright, we've picked questions from the National Common Entrance Past question and then to help you prepare for your exam. So do well to go through the playlist and get yourself familiar with the methods that we have used. And if you have different methods, in math, it's not one way, okay? There are different ways, different routes to the market, all right? So please just make yourself comfortable and ensure that whatever you're doing, you do with speed and accuracy. All right, so let's tackle this question. Ade and Ola share a sum of 4,000 naira in the ratio 3:5. Find the amount Ade received, okay? So we have two guys, Ade and Ola, all right, and then they share this in the ratio 3:5, right? I told you about the respective order of ratio. Okay, this is Ade, Ola, and then so that means Ade has 3, Ola has 5. Okay, you don't mix it up. Once you mix it up, then you get the wrong answer, please. So just take note of the order of appearance. So the one that comes first has the first ratio. The second guy has a second ratio. All right, so we are to find the amount Ade received. Okay, so we don't need to waste the time on that. Let's find the total share so that we can know the fraction. So the total share will be the addition of the two ratios, 3 plus 5, and that is 8. So that means this money was shared into 8 places. Ade takes 3 and then Ola takes 5, all right, out of the 8. So that means Ade has 3 out of 8. So that's for Ade's share. Now we are going to do 3, 8. So 3 out of 8 of the total money, all right. So that means times the total money is 4,000 naira. Let's just write it that way, 4,000 naira. So let's divide. 8 can go in 40. We know that 8 times 5 is 40, right? So 8 in 8 is 1, in 40 is 5, and then in 0, 0, and 0, 0. So you have 500 there, right? So now 3 times 500, that would be Ade's share. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 0 is 0, and you have it that way, okay? So that's just a simple trick to multiply the numbers. Just look at the whole numbers, multiply them. Since others are zeros, multiply the whole numbers and then add the zeros. So that will be 3 times 5, 15, then you have 2 zeros. So the answer is 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira for Ade. So what did we do? We found the total share, all right, by adding the two part of the ratios, and we have 8. Okay, so that means the total money was divided into 8 places where Ade took 3. So now we divided the total money into 8 places, and that's 500, and then 500 in 3 places, that was what Ade took, 1,500. And Ola has 500 in 5 places, so Ola has 2,500. And by the time you add these two quantities together, you come back to the total amount shared. So do well to go over the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Bye.